In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive items. Archiving is a simple way to clean up your main view without deleting anything permanently. Think of it like moving things you don't need right now into a quiet storage area, so your day-to-day workspace stays focused and tidy. You can still search for archived items later, and many apps have a dedicated archive section where they remain safely stored. First, choose the item or items you want to archive. Click once to highlight a single item. If your app shows checkboxes, click the box beside each item you want to include. To select several in a row, click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one in the range. To pick multiple non-adjacent items, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each item. If your list is long, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down so you're only selecting the content you actually intend to archive. Take a quick moment to double-check your selection, especially if you're working with sensitive or shared content. Next, open the Item's Options menu. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the Overflow menu, next to the item or at the top of your screen. Clicking those three dots reveals more actions that aren't visible by default. If you're on a desktop, you can also right-click directly on the item to bring up the same context menu. On some mobile apps, a long press on the item shows these options as well. The goal here is simply to access the hidden commands tied to the selected item or group of items. Now choose Archive or Archive Item from the menu. The wording may vary slightly depending on the app, but it means the same thing. If you're archiving multiple items at once, the option might appear in a toolbar after you make your selection. If a confirmation message pops up, review it and confirm. After that, the items will move out of your primary view. They aren't deleted, they're just tucked away, so your main list, inbox, or board feels lighter and easier to manage. A few quick tips to wrap up. Archiving is great for completed tasks, closed conversations, or records you want to keep without seeing every day. If you collaborate with others, make sure archiving won't disrupt anyone's workflow. And remember, archived items are still searchable and typically available in a dedicated archive area, so you can bring context back when you need it without cluttering your workspace in the meantime.